Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video I want to show you how you can get impossible colors. So the method I will show you is actually pretty simple, but be aware, it's bannable. So do it at your own risk. If a moderator sees you, he will report you for this, so you get banned. But if you don't care and just want to have the impossible colors, here's a tutorial. So first thing you're gonna do is go to registry editor, like here, press enter and press yes. Now you see all this, like all of this. Just go on high key current user, then go on software, then go to another axiom, and here's Gorilla Tag. Just double click it. Now you will see all of these folders over here. If you click on it, just scroll down until you see a B. So as you can see, the first letter is a B. So just scroll down until you see blue value. It's over here. Blue value. Double click on it. Just delete all of it and press F. It should look like this, so only the first row is F. Press OK. Then scroll completely down. Here you will see red value. Double click on it and set it to F also. Press OK. Then over there you see green value and change it to F2. Press OK. Now you can just close it. And now you can open Gorilla Tag again. And as soon as you join the game, you will see you pitch black. If you go to colors, you see all of them are negative. So it's actually pretty funny. You can troll people with it because they can't see you in any of these bushes. If you delete like red to 0, you will get like some sort of reddish color, like I can show you here, like a Rubin or something. If you turn blue off, you will get like the purple color. Looks also pretty sick. And if you delete the green value, you just back to normal colors. I personally like the purple one, if I be honest, because it looks actually pretty sick. And so that's what it looks like. Looks actually it's pretty sick, as you can see. If you want to see how you can get like a little ad in your name, like me, I can show you real quick. If you want to see how you can get such a name with this ad right there, please like and subscribe. By the way, this is client side, so no one can see it, just they see your normal name. But that's client-sided. Thanks for watching. Don't forget these colors are bannable, so just do it on your own risk. And thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. It's free and it really means a lot to me. If you need any help, just ask me in the comments. I will help you out. And have a nice day. And bye.